away from those buoys. You can't go over there by those buoys. It's shallow over there.
Oh.
Okay? Okay. Okay. No. Keep going that way. I want you to go down at the dam. Turn by the dam. See the dam over there? Go to the dam. Keep turning. Keep turning. You got to go to the dam. We're not going to go to the marina. I want you to go behind that boat first, okay? You pass behind him, behind the boat, okay? So we're going to go behind him. Okay, straighten it out. Okay. Yeah. Okay, stay away from that boat there too. Just go straight. Stay away from that boat. Don't go towards that boat, okay? They got somebody in the water, okay? Okay. Okay. So go straight. Yep. Yep. That's the way we're gonna go. Okay. Just go straight for the dam. Okay? You don't need to turn. Well, you're going straight forward, or you're turning away. You gotta keep going towards the dam. Yeah. Okay. Keep heading right toward the dam where the floodgates are, okay? No, you're turning away from it. Head towards it. No, you're getting towards the shore. Get away from the shore. Away from the shore. Away from the shore. This way. That way. No, you know what way. You got one way to turn. Let's go. You gotta go that way.
So we can get to our car?
Yeah. Just head towards the dam right now, okay?
That's where we're going.
What?
And then slow down.
No, we're okay.
Just have to slow that boat.
Yep.
Let's see where I'm going.
Yeah. No, stay out here, hon. No, you wanna stay out here.
Make sure you don't hit anything.
This way.
So we can get to our car. Just go like that. So we can get to our car. And then slow down.
Okay, no, you're fine. Keep going towards the marina. That's you. All right. Keep heading where we normally go in. Okay.
Which way? That way?
We're going to go to the right side of the boats over there.
Yeah.
We're going to go that way. You got to turn a little bit more. There you go. Okay. Start slowing down. There you go. Okay, good job. Okay, we're gonna go over there. See, we're gonna go over there. Nope, other way. See where the little arrows are over there?
Yeah.
We're gonna turn right.
Make sure I don't hit that movie.
Yeah.
Just have to go this way.
Yeah. Yeah.